I should have a vlog day today. That would be a great idea.
I said y'all should have hosted everyone.
Yeah. This is like better than Bujad by tenfold.
Palm trees too.
It's like a country manor. Like
What the heck? I'm so sorry. That's so true though. Bujad did talk a big game.
They did.
Little do they know. Good lord. Oh my god, I want Azilal so bad. I wish I would have known, but it's okay. Fiend. Yeah, cat. Say hello, Charlie. You want to run through the sprinkler?
Oh, I actually got a really soaked up.
Wow.
Not bad. They come to you? Oh, okay. Ready?
Yeah. I'm not doing a very good job.
Charlie, the red tea without sugar.
Without sugar? Really, Charlie?
Yeah.
Is that without sugar, Charlie?
Without sugar.
Yeah, with sugar it's much
it's
better.
better.
Lots of sugar.
Sort of, yeah. Salam.
Salam.
So sweet.
It's with Azdin.
Azdin.
Yeah.
Where are we right now?
It's a small town outside. Yeah.
Azilal?
Yeah.
Okay. How much more until we get to Ouzud? 20 more miles?
Yeah.
Okay. No, Charlie. Oh, yes. Be careful, everyone. So, yeah, we made the right choice. Today is one of our days off, and we decided to come to Azilal. We're going to Ouzud, which has monkeys and waterfalls, and yeah, everything is very nice. Everything is very zween. Wow. Do you know where is Wawizacht? Over there.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
McLean.
Okay, be careful.
Please.
Yeah.
In the name of God. Huh?
Oh, are we in your photo? Here, go.
Dude, look at that. OMG. That's...
Oh, look. Beautiful. Yeah, sure. I'll go wherever.
Sweet Zef. Nice.
Depends on the brand. Like, and Nike's are like 10 and a half. Oh, how much are those?
Kurshi. Hello. Hello. Yes.
They like spinach.
They like?
Yeah, take to give. No scare. Take them.
Allah, shukran. Shukran.
You have a sit closer and give him. Sit down closer.
Shukran. Oh God.
Stay. What do you want me to do? I would take a photo for you.
Point at me.
It's already on.
Oh, I see. Okay, good.
This way.
So you can see it's
Oh, yes, I hear you. Yeah? Oh, you're gonna take it? Are these Mama Reba nuts?
Oh, give some to your friend. Okay.
They're so calm about it.
Yeah, they don't do that.
Oh, McClay! Okay. This is arguably the best day of my Peace Corps life so far. How do you feel about it, Charlie? Yeah? Is this the best day of your Peace Corps life? Not really?
Up there.
It's up there?
Good, yeah.
Okay. I guess we're gonna have to rank them to see. Of course we
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, dear Lord. Oh my Jesus Christ, that's cold. Anyway, we're all wet now, as you can see.
You guys went to a waterfall.
Yes, we did. Carpe diem. It's entirely possible. So pretty. Nice. Bravo.
This is always that way.
Don't trust her, never trust her.
The Apple one is pretty safe.
Right.